What's going on, everyone? Jack here from Half Chrome, and this is the Hello Radio Sky V12. It is a gamepad style remote with some real CNC gimbals. It's about $200. We got a color screen. There's a lot going on here, and it's a really nice option if you're looking for a premium gamepad style remote. I'm going to tell you about the good and the bad. Now, this radio 100% is not for me, and it's not because of what you think. Stay tuned, and I'm going to tell you all about it. This V12 is actually the second Hello radio that I've reviewed. I had this guy, the V16, and yeah, it looks pretty similar to a radio we've seen before, but it's actually a tiny bit nicer, at least in some areas. It's kind of like the Cadillac of radios. So Hello Radio knows what they're doing. This V12 is the smaller version. There are a couple of different ones. You can get one without these CNC gimbals. It's $150. It doesn't have all of the fancy different color options either. But today I'm talking about their top of the line gamepad style radio. First thing I got to tell you is it doesn't take 18650s. These are 21700 batteries. I had to order these separate. And I tried some 18650s. Some people did say they worked. It didn't work for me. But as soon as I pop these bad boys in, there are covers that go over the back. I'm just leaving them out so you can see the radio powered up. It is a double power button here in the front. You got to hold both of these on to power it up. As you can see, it's running EdgeTX, and this is a full 1 watt radio. We do have a spot here if you want to add a module. And you can actually see there are 2 fans in the back keeping this thing cool. This is not a touch screen, it is just color. I'm not sure if that really matters. We have this jog wheel down here where you're going to access all of the things, as well as your buttons over here on this side. I really like this radio. I do like a good gamepad style remote, so I was excited to give this thing a test. But I'm going to run through the buttons here and tell you why this one's not for me. Got a 2-position switch here, this SA, SB, 3-position, 3-position here, and this one on the right side, momentary. SD is a momentary button. That's what I like to use to arm and disarm. I know a lot of people are, this left side, but when I started flying, I set it up here. And every radio I've ever had allowed me to do that, but not this one. Why? Why did we make that choice? Who knows? These rockers on the back also go back to center, so they're essentially also momentary. Why do we have 3 momentary switches? Kind of a strange choice, but something you need to know. We also have these buttons here in the front, these single position, I guess they're 2-position switches. They're going red and purple. So overall, I mean, it's a nice radio. It really is. The gimbals, really solid. They have a good feel running ELRS. We even have a spot here where we could add an external antenna, and that comes with. So I can get the full functionality out of this radio. I don't actually have to attach it, and I probably won't because I'm flying whoops indoors or whatever with this, but if I wanted long range, I could add this guy. You can remove the sticks and store them right here in the back, and there is only one port up top here for both charging and using with your computer to fly as a sim, so that's kind of a bonus. It does come with this nice carrying case, which is a bonus. We have a neck strap, we got a charging cable, we got a card, and we have some stickers. So Hello Radio makes 2 pretty decent radios. If you're in the market for something, I would check either of these guys out. But I'm not switching for my TX15. Love this thing, right? I've had the 16. 15 is where it's at for me. I like this radio. It feels good in my hands. That's where I'm staying. But if you're looking for a gamepad remote, this is an option. You just need to know it has limitations, as all things do. But what do you think? Is this what you're looking for? Are you looking for a gamepad style remote? Definitely an option. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching and good luck. Happy flying.